Hello, my wonderful people. Today we'll be talking about one of Liberia's sensational artists, which is JyZNO. So, firstly, who is JyZNO? JyZNO real name is Jonathan Lee Proud. He was born January 3rd, 1995 in Picano City, Grand Bassa County. JyZNO is a Liberian songwriter and an influencer. JyZNO began to make wave around 2019 and fully broke through with a hit song called Butter My Bread featuring Lasma. JyZNO Butter My Bread made US Billboard chart number 50 and UK Afrobeat single number 16, making Liberia's first ever Billboard hit. JyZNO Butter My Bread accumulated 160 million streams across all streaming platforms such as Audiomack, Spotify, Boomplay, and YouTube, making the biggest Afrobeat song produced in Liberia up to date. JyZNO won multiple awards at the MTN Liberia Music Award in 2023, winning Artist of the Year, Song of the Year, Best Collaboration of the Year, and Feel of the Year. Many people declare JyZNO to be 001 because of many factors. And here are some of the factors that people declare JyZNO to be the 001 of Liberia music. 1. International breakthrough. 2. A global collaboration. And then 3. A hard streaming number. Thank you. If you found the video helpful, like, share, and then leave a comment in the comment section. I would do appreciate it.